Isn't there anything wrong with the fact that the stockholders are connected with First Gentleman on the surface? Nothing at all?
There's nothing wrong.
Illegal?
Nothing illegal.
But
if the source code was not allowed to be seen by others, okay, the flashcards was changed in the last minute. If the videotape, what do you call it now, the ultra ray that will identify the ballot so that it cannot go twice has been disconnected. You know, ang dami eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you start to like, well, is the connection with the First Gentleman something that we should be suspicious about? There's nothing wrong, you know, you play golf everywhere.
Okay.
But because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you know, there might be something that he wants to happen, you know, and subvert the election. That's all I'm saying. Okay, you start to become suspicious because, you know, there's so many irregularities. And with the president being, indicating that she might want to stay on because he's running for Congress. Who ever heard of a king becoming a page? You know, so all of these things you remind, you start to, ano ba? Meron ba yan na iniisip na conspiracy? I mean,
They set the people's mind to be suspicious.
Yeah, because of all of that.
Yeah.
And then election. And election worked. Except for, now I'm starting as listening to the radio and looking at some of the evidence. It is very unusual that 2.6 million votes are voided for vice president. Huh? And hindi lamang all over. The two, Region 6 and Region 7, which is his bailiwick. Ayun, ang laki ng ang laki ng
disparity.
Ang laki ng void votes.
So, it's too much of a coincidence.
Too much of a coincidence. Ano ba naman yan?